Hi guys and welcome back to Gadget Guide channel. A folding drone is offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits and price. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews and put a list of the best folding drone from trustworthy brands. To assist you in making a decision, after extensive research, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 5. GISAEV E99 Folding Drone. The GISAEV E99 Folding Drone, and I have to say, for the price and features, it's an excellent entry-level drone for beginners and casual drone enthusiasts. The compact, foldable design makes it super convenient to carry around for travel or outdoor shoots. It's lightweight but doesn't feel overly flimsy, which is impressive for a budget-friendly UAV. One of the standout features is the HD 4K camera, which captures surprisingly clear photos and videos for a drone in this range. It's great for scenic shots and casual aerial photography. The altitude hold function works well, keeping the drone stable in the air and making it easier to control, especially for first-time users. The remote control handle is simple and responsive, and the drone connects quickly without much hassle. Flight time is decent, especially if you grab an extra battery. It's agile in the air, and basic functions like one-key takeoff/landing and headless mode are really helpful. While it doesn't have obstacle avoidance or high-end stabilization like premium drones, that's to be expected. For casual use, whether it's capturing vacation views, learning how to fly, or just having fun, the E99 by GISAEV delivers solid value. Overall, the E99 folding drone is a great choice for anyone looking to dip their toes into aerial photography or just enjoy flying a quadcopter without spending a fortune. It's reliable, fun to fly, and easy to take on the go. Number 4. Lysm Z908 Pro Max Drone. The Lysm Z908 Pro Max drone is an impressive piece of tech that offers professional-grade features at a very competitive price point. I was particularly drawn to its 8K HD camera, and I have to say, the image and video quality exceeded my expectations for a drone in this range. It captures incredibly detailed footage, making it ideal for both recreational aerial photography and basic security monitoring. One of the standout features is the intelligent obstacle avoidance system. It works surprisingly well, allowing smoother and safer flights, especially in tighter outdoor spaces or areas with trees and buildings. It's a great confidence booster for beginner to intermediate pilots. The 2.4G Wi-Fi connection ensures a stable and responsive control experience, with minimal lag in video transmission. Pairing the drone with my smartphone was straightforward, and the real-time video feed is crisp and clear. The remote control feels intuitive, and the drone handles well even in light wind conditions. Flight time is reasonable, and the overall build quality feels durable yet lightweight. The folding design is another plus, very portable and easy to store or carry in a backpack for travel or work. Certified with CE, the Z908 Pro Max delivers reliability and peace of mind. Whether you're exploring aerial photography, need a reliable UAV for light security use, or just want a high-quality drone for fun, this model offers fantastic value. Highly recommended for anyone wanting pro features without the premium price tag. Number 3. OLOEY L22 Pro Drone. The OLOEY L22 Pro Drone is a fantastic entry-level UAV packed with features that make it ideal for beginners, casual flyers, or even as a unique gift. Right out of the box, the setup is simple and intuitive. The 6-axis stabilization makes flight smooth and steady, even for first-time users. The optical flow altitude hold is especially helpful. It allows the drone to hover precisely, which is great for capturing steady shots and learning to fly with confidence. The highlight of this model is the 8K HD camera, which, while not truly professional grade, still delivers impressive photo and video clarity for a drone in this price range. It's more than enough for social media content or fun travel footage. The drone also folds down compactly, making it easy to transport and store. The remote control handle is responsive and user-friendly. It includes helpful features like one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, and speed adjustment, which make it easy to customize your flight experience. Battery life is decent for short outings, and an extra battery is definitely worth it for extended fun. At its core, the L22 Pro combines cool design with functionality, making it an awesome gift idea or toy for teens and adults alike. Whether you're getting into drone flying or want a cool gadget for photography and fun, this drone delivers a solid, enjoyable experience at a very reasonable price. Highly recommended for beginners and casual drone hobbyists. Number 2. OEN K12 Max Brushless Drone. The OEN K12 Max drone is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their flying experience with more advanced features, all while keeping things user-friendly. One of the standout aspects of this drone is the included screen control, which means you don't need a smartphone to get a live view. Everything is built right into the remote. That's a rare and convenient feature at this price point. The 5G connection ensures fast, stable image transmission, and the 8K HD camera captures stunning aerial shots with great clarity. It's perfect for casual aerial photography, social media content, or just exploring your surroundings from the sky. The optical flow positioning keeps the drone stable during flight, making it easier to capture smooth video, even for beginners. The brushless motors are a huge bonus. They're quieter, more powerful, and more durable than brushed alternatives, and they make flying smoother and more responsive. The drone also includes key features like altitude hold, one-key takeoff/landing, and headless mode, all of which make it super approachable for less experienced users. Design-wise, the K12 Max has a sleek, foldable body that's easy to carry around, making it a great gift for travelers, hobbyists, or even older kids who want something more advanced than a toy drone. With CE certification, it's reassuring to know it meets safety and quality standards. Overall, the OEN K12 Max offers fantastic value with pro-style features in a compact and user-friendly package. Highly recommended for beginner to intermediate drone pilots. Number 1. Xiaomi M6 Drone. The Xiaomi M6 Drone by Meija is an impressive, feature-rich UAV that offers high-end specs typically found in much more expensive drones. From its 8K professional-grade HD camera to 5G Wi-Fi transmission, this drone is clearly built for serious aerial photography and videography, yet it's intuitive enough for beginners to enjoy right out of the box. One of the first things I noticed was the sleek, durable design. Weighing around 500 g with a takeoff weight under 1 kg, it feels solid without being bulky. The included screen remote control is a major highlight. No need for a smartphone to view live footage. It supports up to 500 m range with very minimal lag thanks to its 5.8 GHz operating frequency. The drone is incredibly stable in flight, thanks to its omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system and optical flow positioning. Even in moderate wind conditions, the brushless motors and electronic, optical, and gimbal stabilization work together to keep footage smooth and steady. The camera supports up to 50x optical zoom, which is phenomenal for capturing distant subjects. With a max flight time of 45 minutes and fast 60-minute recharge, it's perfect for long sessions outdoors. I also appreciated the multi-language app support, making it accessible for users worldwide. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or expert, the M6 delivers professional results in a compact and intelligent package. It's ideal for content creators, travelers, or tech lovers looking for a serious upgrade. Highly recommended for anyone seeking performance and reliability in one drone. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and don't forget to comment below. Check out the description and first comment to find the product links. Thank you so much for visiting my Gadget Guide YouTube channel.